History of Terror is an award-winning 2-hour walking tour of Belfast city centre that will transport you into the Belfast of the 1970s to explore the history of the Troubles. Our expert local guides will take you on a journey through our troubled past. As you walk through the pedestrian zone at the heart of the city, the rejuvenated Cathedral Quarter and the waterfront district, you will visit the sites where some of the most important events of the Troubles took place. You will discover how and why the conflict starts, the stories of the people involved, the realities of life, and ultimately how we achieved peace. Join us on the History of Terror tour and you'll never look at the Troubles in the same way again. You will come away with a deeper and more meaningful connection with our city, an appreciation of its resilience, and a true understanding of what makes Belfast and its people just so unique.